Shivaji University, established in 1962, is named after the great Maratha warrior and founder of the Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It was inaugurated on 18 November 1962 by Dr. Radhakrishnan. Shivaji University is situated in Kolhapur on the beautiful lush green campus of 853 acres. There are 38 postgraduate departments on the campus and most of them are recognized and supported under UGC SAP, DST FIST and DST FIRST programs. Shivaji University is known for its significant research contributions in the field of material science. It has 283 affiliated colleges and recognized institutes imparting education in faculties of arts and fine arts, social sciences, science, commerce, education, law, engineering and technology. Department of Technology is established and managed department by Shivaji University Kolhapur under Maharashtra University Act 1994, which offers various engineering and technology programs and strives to enhance and strengthen its academics through teaching, learning, research and extension activities. In the year 2006, 4 MTech courses were started and in the year 2008, 5 BTech courses were started. The Department of Technology offers 6 BTech programs, namely Computer Science and Technology, Chemical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Food Technology and Mechanical Engineering, etc. Also, Department of Technology offers 5 MTech programs, namely Computer Science and Technology, Electronics Technology, Energy Technology, Environmental Science and Technology, and Food Technology, etc. Also, Department of Technology offers PhD programs respectively. Department of Technology is approved by AICTE and admissions are as per AICTE and DTE Government of Maharashtra norms. It is an active center for higher technical education which always welcomes collaboration with academic as well as industrial and engineering enterprises of national and international stature. The Department of Technology stands as a beacon of light to guide the younger generations of the day on the right path to fulfillment in their careers and lives. For more details, you can visit websites of Shivaji University and Department of Technology.